How to remove search bar in Shopify Dawn Theme. So as you can see, I have it right here. And if we want to remove this, all we have to do is click on Online Store. Then this will take us to the themes page. Scroll down a little bit and click on these three dots right here. Then choose this option to edit code. Now, if we want to remove the search bar, we have to search for base.css and click on this base.css. And right here, you have to simply go all the way down, leave a line here, press enter, and you want to paste this code, which I will add as a comment. .header icon search display none. Click on save here. Wait for your changes to save. Go back to your store, refresh it just to confirm. And as you can see, now we don't have the search bar. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.